Tonight I'm going to Bible study, and every week we bring a different dish. So this time I'm bringing my favorite salad. I'm just getting to hang out with friends and read the Bible and eat together. It's just awesome. I'm gonna add some spices. Salt, black pepper, paprika, and a little rosemary. But I'm gonna air fry these. And I love cooking. It's my favorite thing to do. I already had these cucumbers chopped up from yesterday. I also already had this pepper. I don't love radishes on their own, but I swear when I chop them up tiny and put them in here, they taste pretty good and less like dirt. Over the last year, our lives have changed so much, and we've made really good friends. And also my sister living here has been amazing. This cilantro, I don't think I said that. Adding some cherry tomatoes. These are my favorites. It's finally time to add our mix. So I'm adding a little bit of maple syrup, Dijon oil, and then an entire lime. Never grew up with lemons in my house, so I put limes in everything. Adding some black pepper, salt, red pepper flakes. Now I'm gonna shake it all up. Potatoes are done. It looks so good. I'm adding some almonds. Okay, this is it. So colorful and delicious. Gonna try a bite. And I'm just gonna put a plate on it so we can take it.